Okay, finally in part D, the question asks to find out if Ruth's speed is increasing or decreasing at a given point based on the function from question C. There are multiple approaches of finding this answer, so we will show two different ways in order for the answer to make sense to everyone. Speed is a scalar value, which means that it can only be positive, and it does not have a specific direction like velocity, which is a vector. So that means Ruth can possibly be speeding up in the positive or the negative direction. The only way to differ between her speeding up and slowing down is to analyze her velocity and her acceleration at the same point. The first method of solving question D is by typing out the equation with the y equals button, as I've already done. It is right there. And then you can find out the velocity by going to vars and then y vars and in the function and press y1. And in parentheses you put the point 1.3 and you will find that her velocity is positive, meaning that she is going towards the positive direction. To solve for the acceleration, you need to go to math and then to the n derivative button, which will give you the derivative of the y1 equation by plugging in y1 again at x equals 1.3. And you should see that the acceleration is also positive, meaning that Ruth is speeding up. The velocity is found to be 18.1, and the acceleration is 3.76, which must mean that Ruth is speeding up at 1.3. Another way of solving this is by analyzing the graph of the equation, and since we already have the equation plugged into our y1, we can go to graph, and as you can see, at around point 1.3, the value is positive, and the slope is also positive, meaning that Ruth must be speeding up.